Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name's Alondra and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video for you guys. I'm going to be unboxing the Life Glam Lesdomakeup Lippies. This just came in today and I'm so excited to open it and swatch the colors for you guys and show you guys what her lippies look like. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Inside the bag there's a picture of Leslie. And then in the back, it's the names of the lippies and then a thank you note of Leslie. And then inside this bag is this little baggie. Inside the baggie is the lip liner. The Lippie, and a lip scrub. I'm gonna open the lip liner. This is what the lip liner looks like. Just has some frosting with some sprinkles. And this one is called Whipped Frosting. This is how it looks. The next one is the Lippie, and this one is called Pastel. And then the lip scrub looks like this. And this one is called Sugar Cookie. So this is what came in the little baggie. Leslie's 3 lippies. So now I'm gonna be swatching these colors for you guys on my lips so you guys can see what they look like. Alright, so once I've taken off my lipstick, I'm gonna go in with Sugar Cookie, the lip scrub. So I'm gonna be applying it on my lip. So once it's on my lip, I'm just gonna rub it in. Okay, after that, I'm gonna get my makeup remover wipe. And I'm just gonna take it on. The next one I'm gonna go in with is the lip liner, which is Whipped Frosting. Alright, so once I have whipped frosting on, I'm gonna go in with Pastel. Alright, so this is what the lip colors look together. Alright, so that is the end of this video. I am in love with Leslie's lippies. I love the colors. The design is really cute. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe down below, turn on your post notifications. That way you get notified every time I post a new video. Bye guys!